Hello students, in today's class we are going to learn more about the polar regions. So after watching this module, you will be able to describe about the life of the people live in the polar regions. So let's begin. Children, Antarctica does not have any people of its own. Scientists from different countries go there to study the land, climate, plants and animals of the region. They live in the research stations that have been built there. So as you can see in the picture, this is the research station. Now let me tell you that India has two research stations in Antarctica. One is Bharti and the other one is Maitri. The Arctic, on the other hand, has been home to people for thousands of years. Among the people living there are the Inuit of North America and Greenland. The Sami, also called Lapps of Northern Europe, and the Nenets of Northern Asia. So children, these people live in the polar regions. The people of the Arctic get food mainly by hunting animals such as seals, whales, musk oxen, walruses, and polar bears. Fishing is also an important source of food. In summer, they gather berries and food plants. Some people keep herds of reindeer for milk, meat, and skin. There are farms also where animals are raised for fur. Some work in mines and oil fields. So, children, in the Arctic, people wear very warm clothes and hooded jackets to protect themselves. As you can see in these pictures, clothes are made from the skin of animals like the seal and the reindeer. Nowadays, cloth and synthetic materials are also used for making clothes so that they can protect themselves from the cold. The early people of the Arctic shifted home often, following the animals they hunted. Now, many people have settled down in the towns that have been built. It is difficult to build roads and railways here, as the ground is covered with snow most of the time. People travel on sledges pulled by huskies. They have they are thick coated dogs or by the reindeer. Please see both the pictures. In the first picture, sledges are pulled by huskies, and in the second picture, sledges pulled by the reindeer. These days, many people use the snowmobile on land, and motorboats are also used in water. Now, let us know more about the Inuit people. The Inuit people, earlier called Eskimos, lived mainly by hunting animals like reindeer and seals. These gave the Inuit food. The skins were used to make blankets, clothes, tents, and boats, and the bones to make tools and weapons. Seal oil was used for cooking and in lamps. The early Inuit were nomad, means they moved with the animals they hunted. They lived in tents made of animal skins in summer and houses covered with sod in winter. In winter, hunters made a shelter called an igloo with blocks of ice. For travel and transport, the Inuit used sledges pulled by huskies. For hunting or fishing in the sea, they used a single seater sealskin boat called kayak. It means that boat is made up of the skin of seal. Or they also used to use a larger open boat called umak. Now, children, let's have a quick recap. Only scientists live in Antarctica. No other people live over there. These people have lived in the Arctic for thousands of years. Inuit of North America and Greenland, the Sami of Northern Europe, the Nenets of Northern Asia. So that's it for today. I hope you must have understood today's topic. Thank you, children.